Okay guys, welcome sa panibagong video o kaya sa part 2 ng Playing Code M part 2. Welcome to Playing Code M part 2. Oh hell na bro, how did you kill me? Okay, kala ko ends na yung bro, it literally ended. Bro, shut up, you're too ugly. Okay guys,
defeated. Don't let this happen again.
Johnny boy. Okay, 2000, that's cool. Oh, okay, almost there. Oh, bro. Okay guys, today we're playing we're playing Battle Royale ngayon. Yan. Shut the hell up. What? Poltergeist. That's my favorite part. The Poltergeist. Bro, you're lagging so bad right now. I can even walk faster than you.
Void Walker activated.
Bro is so laggy. Give me that.
Void Walker activated.
He cannot see me.
Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start. Time for the mission. Get ready.
You're dead. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. A kilo. I didn't think I
First blood.
What's this? The eyes. That's fast. Yo! Bro, can I have a mythic or something? Pwede ba ako magkaroon ng mythic? Kayo guys, sana bigyan niyo ako ng mythic kung meron kayo. Or pwede nyo lang akong i-add friend. Sige, add friend na lang ako. Wala akong kaibigan. Wala pang nakikipaglaro sa akin. Me with my Louis Vuitton. Bro. So guys, today, nag-ano tayo, tinatry natin maghanap ng kalaban. Kasi yun naman yung ano ng Call of Duty. So, ano, meron ng ano. Teka lang. Punta ako dito. RPD, maganda. Wag. Item. So, yan. 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 O, teka. Mas maganda tong reflex. Lah! Grabe naman to ay.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Ito, i-drop mo naman ito. Pangit naman. Kung makahanap tayo ng motorcycle, ano, magmamotor tayo.
The safe zone is collapsed.
Safe zone ka agad. Teka lang, kuha mo na ako. Ay, kuha mo na ako ng ano, chip. Ay, ito, rally car, maganda. Rally car lang maganda. Okay, get up here. Kaya. Lah. Oh, hell na. Bilis, baka mamatay pa ako sa safe zone dito. Huwag kang mamatay. Bilis!
Skill chip ready for upgrade.
Bro! Ay, teka lang, babanggain ko nito. Kung tutulong. Ay, parang Phoenix to ah. Ay, gagi. Ano ka? Parang may nakita akong nagbato ng ano. Oh, hell no. What the heck? Punta tayo. Oh. I wish I had. Sana meron ditong ano, may motor. Hindi dito, sa side na to. Pero sana may motor naman. Ha? Wrong side.
Airdrop incoming.
Okay. Oh, galing nun ah. Parang yun sa ano, assault knife. Sana nga may assault knife ako pero wala. Okay. 9 minutes na kagad naglalaro. Wala pa akong napapatay, isa pa lang. Tapos 4. Parkour yan guys. Parkour. I did a parkour. Oh. Took me a lot. What the heck? I'm almost there. Oh!
Half of the players are eliminated.
Nandito na ako. Ha? Oh, baka yun. Ano kaya to? Laban! May kalaban. Ano ka? Tao.
Airdrop incoming.
Argus, ano ba yan? Shock. Headshot pa yun. Okay. Punta tayo sa isa pang safe zone.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Git.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Oh, bro. Already 11 minutes, so. Okay, guys. I'm going to make a part 3.